Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com. We have US dollar index waiting for its move to the upside. CAD index also. But what happened today? That's today's video is about the yen index, right? So this is the chart I made last Saturday, and then I gave it to my subscribers on Sunday and explained in the webinar that this is what we are expecting. Either right from there where it was at the time, or it may drop a little bit first to the TL, and then it's going to bounce and then go back to this area, 63.22. Break that, we will go back to 64.45. That was the idea. That was the plan with the yen index. And I forgot to write down here, but usually that's what happens is yen index, wherever the index goes, all the pair goes. Means when yen going to the upside, all yen pair will be going to the upside. When yen index dropping, all yen pair will be dropping. Okay. So that's the idea. And then you take the trades in that direction. So what happened just now, a little while ago, while I was playing ping pong with my son in the garage, something happened here. I knew this was a press conference, so I thought the reaction will come a little bit later. Yeah. So, but what really happened? Because you cannot know. At least I don't know how to know what they are talking about in the press conference. So, let's go take a look at what happened. Just this is the calendar. You can see here Wednesday, yen. It was tentative, and then this news here you can see here. Not this one. I'm sorry. Here. Sorry. And not Wednesday. Today's Tuesday still, right? So Tuesday. This one, see, 940 yen, Bank of Japan outlook report, and then monetary policy statement. That's what came out, not the press conference, but this one, right? And these two news that came out, report, and I don't know what the report is, right? But you got to see the reaction and what the reaction happened and what happened to this chart. This chart, okay? Watch this. This is a current chart right now. Whoops. See this? What happened? You see this candle, the golden candle just now? This is what happened today. Just now, it started and then boom, it's going up. Now it's going to the upside, right? So first target would be here, and I think that the power that it is going with to the upside probably going to take us back to 64.45. Now, what really happened to the pairs then? The last couple of hours, right? 9:40 and right now is 10:40. 1 hour. Go back and let's see. So I'm going to show you all the yen pairs. What happened when yen index going up? Look, USD yen. That's what happened. Euro. This is 1 hour chart, by the way. Okay, current hour this. The previous hour is this. Okay, Euro yen, boo boo. Pound yen, boo. Aussie yen. See that? CAD yen. Franc yen, New Zealand. They all went up. That's what I'm talking about. If you catch the index, the direction in the index, you have multiple pair in your hand, multiple trades in your hand, and like a pick and choose. You have a choice now, right? So what happened really that they went up big time without giving me my setup as well. I didn't hear a beep because I had it that, I'm probably going to hear something. But I didn't. Why? Because the move was so fast, it never came back as a retracement and make my setup. But it will. These pair will give me maybe 1 or 2 or 3 tonight. By tomorrow, I'll have the trades and I'll show it to you. So I'm going to be waiting for that for my setup. My setup is, if I have it here, then, maybe I can show you how my setup look like this. If I'm looking long, I need to be having something like this. Yellow is above the black. This indicators are turning to the upside. The red candles coming in and then coming out with blue candles. I'll open the trade here. This was a beautiful entry. This was a beautiful entry, right? Something like that I need in these yen pairs tonight. 1, 2, 3, all of them, whatever I get, I will take it blindly because now this index is going powerfully to the upside. See the 33-minute chart? When it was here, I said we're going to drop here. I have the chart already. This was after chart I made. And then exactly from 61.33, right after the news, boom, boom, it went up. It's probably going to drop here first and then go. When it is going to drop, going to give me the setups. right? I'm going to take those and then start to go to the upside. Now, what happened is that this is probably 61% retracement of this drop. How much is it? Let's take a look. Sorry, it's not 61, 78%. See? Exactly 78%. Now, usually what happens is that after the 78% pullback, it goes back to 38% and then goes to 127. That would be a butterfly pattern in harmonic language, right? So if it drops, it's going to drop to 38%. And then all those big moves in yen pairs, they're going to retrace. And when they're going to retrace, I will have my setups. And then I'll get in for long and take my trades, my entries, and then I'll show it to you later on. So this is what happened. More to come on the upside. Okay, so be ready. And yen pairs gonna give you the entries, the long trades. They're all gonna go long. They're all gonna go long, at least for tonight. So let's see what happened. All right. So just wanted to show you guys, but don't forget to subscribe because these videos, you have to watch them very quickly. So the only way that you can get it fast and quick is that if you subscribe the channel, like the video and subscribe the channel so you can get as soon as I upload a new video so that they can take advantage of these setups and these moves. Okay. So just remember that, do it. And that's it. So be ready. Yen pairs are going up and I'm going to be looking for long. Bye for now and talk to you guys later.